I wish I had $1 million.
Okay, Wawa haul.
Okay. You go first. Oh.
I got an apple fritter. Yes, I got an apple fritter. And a mocha mint iced coffee.
Okay, am I next?
Yeah.
Okay, I got a black iced coffee. And I got a chocolate chip muffin. Wait, my turn.
I'd be curious to try that.
I got... Whoa. Quiet. Quiet. Voices off. I'm sorry. So here I have a coffee that I made by hand, and it cost me $4.
How did it cost you $4?
Because they made me buy the cup.
How much was the cup?
$2.
What did you say?
The cup
Bro,
was
they
$2?
literally charged your ass double. They scammed you.
Chocolate chip muffin. I also have a snack for the road. Wait. Hey, wait. Wait.
But that's not a Wawa haul. That's from your house haul.
Oh, my butter breakfast.
Okay, Wawa haul for me.
Yes.
I got a matcha chai.
Is there any chai in that though? It don't want to look like it.
It smells like it.
Okay.
So let's not
I'd be
play.
curious to try.
The matcha is all at the bottom and not really mixed in, but it's okay, guys. And I also got my electrolytes in my water bottle for healthy healing and hydration.
And yummy.
And it's really fucking good, so let's not play right now.
The matcha chai?
Yeah.
Can I try? I'm really...
Everyone have a fucking sip. Everyone have a sip.
Okay.
Are you reading it?
I just got an no.
Oh,
I wish. I got an email from the hospital.
Wait, that actually like works.
yeah.
We have our
I'm curious to try this.
code.
Guys,
We're going to Montreal! Rest stop! Rest stop! Let's get a video from New York City sign. Pretty mountains! Let me think on the Okay. What is that noise? Bro, it's Reese fries. What is it not good? We should live in there. Y'all are spending this trip. I'll make it back to DoorDash when I get home. Okay, lunch break. I got a sandwich. It's prosciutto, brie, and fig jam. Let's give it a taste.
Be serious right now.
Oh my god, that's so good. That's amazing. Is that... That's so good. Okay, update for the vlog. We're stuck in the middle of a tornado warning. And we're taking shelter under the hood of a gas station where gas is only $4.39
I'm actually gonna die.
or $4.34.
No, 39.
39? In case we need to top up.
I think I did my yellow color.
Here, yeah, okay. Okay, welcome to my crib. Let me show you around.
Did you get it?
Over there. We've got home base. We've got the car.
Are you gonna be okay?
Here, it's like if we need any snacks, if we need to use the bathroom, you know, anything like that. Like, we're just sort of chilling here, like, probably stay here for the night, and then with the... Is that good? No.
Oh my god.
Holy fuck. Bro.
Okay, I got this at the gas station. Wait, why is this so aesthetic?
Oh, it smells.
Cue Mr. Blue. Yeah, like a light switch.
love this song. I added it.
We made it to freaking Canada!
Oh, Canada!
And we're at Tim Hortons! Because we're basic.
Jersey number and heated rivalry.
How do you feel about being in Canada, Reese? How do you feel about being in Canada?
I'm excited and also scared.
Look at this storm cloud.
His number's 81.
We're gonna get stuck in another tornado.
We made it to Montreal.
If I ever go.
Okay, update, I'm alone and I want to die. Montreal traffic fucking sucks. Oh my god, it fucking sucks. Why is there 100 million pedestrians at every fucking intersection? Like, wait, I'm gonna show you. How is a girl supposed to drive in these conditions? If you know, let me know. Yes, you know how to work the aesthetics. Okay, I'm at my sister's apartment. This is the fit for going out to dinner and then like going to some bars. That was like the fastest I've ever gotten ready in my life. And this is my sister. Look at how adorable her room is. Oh, I love this fabric.
Yeah, it's
You can't drink until we're done with our content. Cheers. Wait, cheers. Someone cheers me.
Yeah, I'll cheers. Girl, not the Holy shit, that's good.
Yeah.
But it's like in between my big toe and her.
Okay, taste test. This is an iced banana latte. We mixed it up really good.
Can I show you a trick?
Like this.
Yeah.
I know. Reese is a barista.
Oh, Reese is a barista.
Why are you joking? She is.
No, she is, yeah. I know she is.
That's good. Thumbs up.
Yay!
And then we also got
That looks like a good
cookie. Let's try it. It's Chunky Monkey, so I'm really on a banana kick this morning, I guess.
Oh, that's really good.
Ooh, I like that. When the vlog's done, no one's gonna be laughing anymore about, oh my god, Talia's taking another video. Everyone's gonna be like, oh my god, how'd you do that? You're such an artist. Oh my gosh. She's playing with herself in a mirror. You're fucking joking. Oh my god.
I'm gonna take one home.
I want the black and white one. Why? Look at him doing acrobatics. This is keto. You're fucking joking.
How does the theme song go?
We just went to the mall. We're gonna do a haul. Oh, that rhymed. Wow.
The mall haul.
I'm destined to be a famous YouTuber. Okay. First thing I got a tankini. Because I've been wanting one like forever. I'm excited about that. The only thing that's like kind of a bit weird about it is that it's sleeveless, so I'm scared that I'm gonna like flash everybody, but like maybe that's fine because like I'm just a young hoe. So and then next thing I got these cute little like Mary Jane style flats because I like needed some new like kind of like nicer shoes. And then we went to Dollarama and I got a huge satin scrunchie because I love when people have these and I wanted one. And then I got some Canada themed stickers to put in my scrapbook.
Do you want to do an unboxing?
Yeah. And then we also got this surprise bag that has 5 surprise accessories in it. So we're gonna do an unboxing and see what we got.
That's good too. Those are cursed.
But
wait, why are they furry?
wait, I'll take some of these. These are fucking ugly.
They're so cursed. One of the
Whatever,
furry
I'm
ones.
not about
No,
that.
one of the furry ones.
Okay. Ooh.
Okay, those are good for your new shoes.
Yeah. These will be good for these. Okay.
Cute.
It's like a little flower claw clip.
That's cute.
That's awesome. Ooh. Okay.
That's nice.
It's like a necklace with a little like pendulum on it, and it's got like a crescent moon. That's okay. Why we got bum ass shit, bro? It's like a what the hell is that?
Wait.
That's some Claire's fucking bullshit, bro.
Hello?
I'm tap dancing.
Can I help you?
Looks fuck. Okay, this is Maya doing my physical therapy exercises for my knee.
So like this?
Yeah, like that. Oh, Arctic Monkeys. Right?
It's White Stripes.
Oh, I thought it was dun da 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 da.
I should learn that one though. There's a bunch of Arctic Monkeys songs that are probably.
And then I forget what you do after that.
Oh wait, I just started.
This shit is not fucking about
Two
you.
gig is in and she can't handle herself. No, 1 gig. That's it.
Okay, so no, I have 2 shots. Oh,
This shit is not.
Third.
Is you filming?
Look at that face. Look at that face. Okay, update for the vlog. It is Saturday morning. I'm walking to my friend's hostel to go like mess around in Old Port, and we're gonna go to the Biodome, which I haven't really looked into, but I think it's like a zoo. But like the animals are kind of like free ranging. I don't know. We'll see. I'm a zoology major, so we'll see if it is zoology major approved. I haven't looked up if it's like, is there like, I don't know if Canada has its own version of like AZA accreditation. I don't know like the ethical aspect of it, but we're gonna see, and hopefully it's ethical and hopefully it's really cool. And then yeah, we're just gonna mess around, maybe go to like the thrift or something, and then go out again tonight. We went out last night. It was so much fun. We went to Champs and then we went to Dee Dee's on, I forget what the street is called, but Dee Dee's was super fun. They were having like a techno night, but it wasn't really techno. It was kind of like they were playing like Rihanna, but they were just going like shut up and drop. So it like, you know, if we're being technical about it, it wasn't techno, but that doesn't mean it wasn't fun. Also, I cracked my screen protector in front of my camera, so there's a nice little aesthetic blur going on. There's a lot happening, but anyways, that is my update. per gram. We're losing the game. Germany scored! Clara, how do you feel?
I'm so fucking happy we can pull this back. We can pull this
We're gonna pull through. Hey!
I froze. This is genuinely 10th match in my life, bro, to be
Approaching from like the old part versus approaching from like the skyscraper.
That's really beautiful.
No, I know. Guys, all I'm gonna say though is if they hadn't won, I would have been absolutely terrible to go out with tonight.
I know, because the flash doesn't. Really?
Don't know that. I didn't ask for a wrap, but whatever. And I spilled my water.
Somebody's finally locked in. Wait, we need to do the trend like the way a bunch of friends did it, where it's like, this is gonna be so good.
Is this that's so Allie?
I just can't wait 2 seconds.
Make eye contact with the server at the cashier, and then you go round to the bathroom. It's on the floor. You're gonna get 2 free sausage rolls.
I'm so excited. What the fuck? He's such a hard worker. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's fucking cute. Oh my god, Joanna. It's good for our color tag.